What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the vlogs. Here is the plan for today. New wheels for one of the Evos show up today. I still have not decided which Evo I'm gonna put them on. 90% sure they're gonna go on the blue Evo 8. They might end up on the black Evo 8 one day, but what we need to do is head to the shop, grab the truck, and then come back to the house. As soon as the wheels show up, we can throw them in the truck. They're coming through like a freight company, not typical UPS or FedEx, because they have tires on them. So that's why we really need the truck for today's project. Wheels are here, bitch. You reading the newspaper in there?
Bro, he's probably checking out your wheels.
Where do you want them?
Anywhere right here. Cool.
It's all yours. All right, have a good one.
Here's all. Wow, TE37's never would have guessed. Ooh. Ooh. So these are TE37 Saga TA, which I think means time attack. It's a really sick style of the TEs, like the color combo. The only problem is the red isn't really gonna match the blue, so I'm gonna try to like do something here. I don't want to do anything permanent. Maybe like just a blue pinstripe over the red. And then these are gonna go on, I don't know which car. Either that Evo 8, the black Evo 8, or the blue Evo 8. For now, they're definitely gonna go in the blue Evo 8. 18 by 9.5 plus 21. It's a very odd offset. Never seen 21 offset before, but I am super stoked for a set of TEs for the channel, and I'm sure you guys are as well. What are these, 235/40s?
Dude, those would look sick on my car. Would they fit?
Yeah.
With the red? Oh.
On both Evos, we run a 245/35, so a little bit wider and a little bit skinnier tire. These are 235/40s, which these will still definitely work, and I'll run them because they are, what are they, Toyos? Toyo Extreme HP for all the extreme horsepowers that we have. I'll give you guys a little sneak peek now that you're here and now that it's a wheel video. These are the wheels for the truck. I have had these for like 2 or 3 weeks now and I haven't opened them, so let's open them together. I don't even know if they're cool anymore. Holy balls. Wow. I forgot how huge these things are. Okay, that looks sick. So these are 22 by 14. Negative like 80 something or negative, 22 by 14, negative 76. Well, I might as well pull one out and look at it on the truck.
Bro. Dude, holy shit.
These are huge. I don't want to really set it down on it. Whatever. You got. Not bad. All right, guys. Well, for starters, Jared, what car should we put the wheels on first? Should we test fit on your car, or should we put them on the blue 8 first?
Obviously, I'm gonna say my car.
All right, pull it in. So because the wheels have red on them, we figured they're gonna look really good on Rose. Obviously, they will end up on the blue 8, but before we put them on the blue 8, we're gonna throw them on Jared's Rose.
Herky jerky clutch boy.
These belong on your car. They're like made for your car. I promised I'd never use the jack again, but here we are. Jack on the car. Ready for this? Oh boy. Drop it down, see if she looks right quick. Oh, bro. Oh, come look at it from this angle right here. Those fit so good on here.
Ooh.
Imagine some thick boy meaty tires
Oh yeah.
at like 2,800 wheel horsepower. That'd be insane, bro. That looks really good. TE looks sick on this car. You like them?
I do like them.
Congrats, bro. Here's your new birthday present.
Yeah, my birthday's in April. We're a bit off.
Well, it just looks knocked in half.
That's odd.
We're gonna pull the car out, go do a little photo shoot, a little video shoot of the TEs on rows, so we remember how it looks down the road. If, you know, maybe if Jared wants to pick up a set of TEs one day, that'd be pretty fuego. Dude, that's so clean. That's so clean looking. I think they look really sick on roads. Drop a comment down below, let me know what you guys think. We couldn't drive too far because we only put 2 wheels on the car. They're very close in tire size, but obviously we didn't want to run into any issues. So we're gonna put the stock wheels back on, and then we're gonna be putting the TEs onto the Evo 8. It's gonna be very colorful for a minute because I haven't decided how I'm gonna do away with the red and make it blue. So it's gonna be red and blue and yellow for a while. Sick. Ah, so light. Oh, so light. All right, for the first official fitment. I wonder if they should go yellow. Photoshop that. Something leaking on the other side on the wheel. We have a massive leak, boys.
Yeah, it looks like it's coming from the banjo bolt on the back of the...
Oh yeah. Oh boy, she's a leaky motherfucker. Wow, she squirted everywhere. Whatever, we got a leak. I'm kind of nervous to put a TE on there. I'm not gonna put that wheel on there. We're gonna do me a mad favor and go hit the brakes. All right, so all I did with that brake, the banjo bolt, was just loosen it up, kind of spin it around a little bit, the brake line, and then tighten it back down. Jared wouldn't hit the brakes, no leaks at all, so we should be good to go. Wow, real wheels. Road grids look better. Flatter down. So these are a little bit more narrow. So let's think. Half-inch more narrow overall. These are plus 21, XXRs are plus 20. So they're gonna stick in maybe like 10 more millimeters. Damn, dude. Those look really good on here. They're so thick. Bro, that's like a full-on track car now, holy shit. I was a little bit worried that the tires were gonna rub because they're so much thicker than those, but I think we should be completely fine.
I like them a lot.
I knew they were gonna like Fuego and all, but not that Fuego. They fit so good on here. Shit, we forgot a ceramic coating. Oops. What do you think? You like them?
I love them.
You like them better than the XXR boys?
I think so, yeah.
I'd hope so.
Especially because they're hype beast wheels.
They are hype beast wheels. Now the big dilemma, and I need your guys' help with this. Maybe I'll do like an Instagram poll or something. The red on the wheels, we're either gonna do blue or yellow. Blue to match the car, obviously. Yellow to match the brakes, obviously. So drop a comment down below, and I'm gonna do an Instagram poll as well. So head over to my IG and vote on the poll, and we can figure out, I don't know if it's gonna be paint or powder coat or pinstripe, but we're gonna make the red, yellow, or blue somehow. And it's gonna look insane. This looks sick. I kinda wanna do blue, just so we can put them on the Black 8.
Oh yeah, more, yeah, that's true.
More versatileness.
More versatility, versatile, same thing.
Versatileness is the word. I have a big dilemma as well. I forgot to ceramic coat the wheels, and I'm really sad. So I'm gonna pull it in the shop and ceramic coat them before I drive it. See how fast I am? It's got like the new TEs making me fast boy. So the wheels aren't really all that dirty. I'm not gonna do a crazy cleaning. All we're gonna do before we ceramic is the IPA wipe down and then bust out the Avalon King. Armor Shield 9, discount code Devin25, $25 off. Bobby needs a set of these just because they're easy to clean. I feel like I open one of these every day. Wow. So not only are these wheels already gonna be super, super easy to clean because just the design of it, after we coat them, they'll be even more easy to clean. So Bobby, if you're watching this, I'd highly recommend putting TEs on your STI because I know you hate cleaning wheels. But don't curb them, please. You'll make daddy cry. So because it is warm, it only takes about a minute or two for this stuff to dry so you can wipe it back off. So grab their nice little towel and wipe it off. Ooh, boy. Fully ceramic coated one. One wheel is fully ceramic coated. I'm actually not going to do one of the other wheels, just to do like a little side by side. I'm gonna post it on my Instagram. So this wheel's fully done. I'm not gonna do the other wheel, and then we're gonna pull them off, do a side by side water repel test or action to see how dope it is. But we have to let it fully cure. So in like 1 or 2 days, we can do that test. Let me know what you think in the comment section below. I know some of you guys have been dying to see TEs on one of the cars. I always see that comment and I always get those DMs. So we finally got TEs and I'm stoked about it. I think they look really good. Hope you guys enjoyed. Make sure you comment below. Let me know what color you think we should do for the red pinstripe issue. Other than that, peace out. I'll see you tomorrow.